11 Coolest Doomsday Survival Gear and Gadgets 2025. When it comes to preparing for the worst, having the right gear can make all the difference between surviving and thriving in a doomsday scenario. In 2025, there's a whole new wave of survival gear and gadgets designed to give you the upper hand when the world turns unpredictable. Whether you're preparing for natural disasters, an emergency situation, or just want to be ready for anything, these tools and gadgets are built to keep you alive, safe, and comfortable no matter what comes your way. From knives that can handle any survival task to water filters that ensure you'll never go thirsty, these pieces of gear are more than just handy. They could be the lifeline you need in a critical moment. Let's dive into the coolest doomsday survival gear and gadgets that will help you stay prepared in 2025. Bear Grylls Ultimate Survival Knife. The Bear Grylls Ultimate Survival Knife is a must-have for anyone serious about surviving in tough environments. Designed by survival expert Bear Grylls, this knife is a true powerhouse in any emergency situation. With its 4.8-inch full-tang stainless steel blade, it's built to withstand heavy use, whether you're chopping wood, cutting rope, or preparing food. The blade features a partial serration that's perfect for cutting through tough materials like branches or thick fabric, while the ergonomic handle ensures a secure grip, even in the harshest conditions. It also comes equipped with a built-in fire starter and a small emergency whistle, adding even more versatility to this already impressive tool. SOG Backcountry Axe. When you're out in the wild or dealing with a survival situation, an axe can be one of your most essential tools. The SOG Backcountry Axe is a compact, high-performance tool that can handle everything from chopping wood to clearing brush. With its 3.1-inch blade and lightweight, durable design, it's small enough to carry comfortably but powerful enough to take on big tasks. Whether you're building a shelter, creating firewood, or defending yourself, the SOG Backcountry Axe makes it easy to get the job done. Its rubberized handle ensures a firm grip even when wet or slippery, and its balanced weight distribution gives you maximum control, making each swing more effective. Day-On Water Bag. Staying hydrated is critical in any survival scenario, and the Day-On Water Bag makes it easier than ever. This innovative water storage system is designed to hold up to 2.5 gallons of water and comes equipped with a built-in filtration system that ensures the water stays clean and safe to drink, even after long periods of storage. Whether you're trekking through the wilderness or preparing for an emergency, this water bag is a lifesaver. It's lightweight, portable, and easy to carry, making it ideal for any outdoor adventure or disaster prep. The Day-On Water Bag is perfect for storing clean water while keeping it protected from contamination, and it's the kind of gear that could save your life when needed most. Catch Cap by Wazoo Survival Gear. Sometimes the most valuable survival gear is something that you wouldn't expect. The Catch Cap by Wazoo Survival Gear is a brilliant example of this. This seemingly ordinary hat has a hidden compartment that allows you to store important items like cash, keys, or small survival tools, all in plain sight. It's a discreet way to carry essential gear without drawing attention to yourself, making it ideal for emergencies where you need to keep your gear safe but accessible. The Catch Cap is made from durable, comfortable material that will keep you cool in hot weather, and its low-profile design makes it a stylish addition to your survival kit. Batterix Power Card. In the modern world, staying connected is key, and the Batterix Power Card is the perfect solution for keeping your devices charged when you're off the grid. This ultra-slim, credit card-sized portable charger fits easily into your wallet, yet it packs a powerful punch when it comes to keeping your phones, tablets, or other essential electronics powered up. With its built-in USB charging port, it's easy to plug in and get your devices juiced up quickly, so you're always ready to communicate, navigate, or access critical information when you need it. The Batterix Power Card is an essential gadget for anyone looking to stay connected in a world where power outages or loss of electricity could be a real possibility. Pathfinder Canteen Cooking Set. The Pathfinder Canteen Cooking Set is a game-changing tool for anyone who needs to cook or boil water in an emergency situation. This all-in-one cooking system includes a stainless steel canteen, a cup, and a lid, along with a handy stove that can be used to boil water or cook food over an open flame. The set is compact, lightweight, and easy to carry, making it perfect for backpackers, hikers, or anyone who wants to be prepared for a survival situation. The canteen itself holds up to 1 quart of water, and the stove is designed to be used with small fuel tablets, so you don't need to carry a bulky stove or fuel canisters. Grail GeoPress Purifier. Clean water is essential for survival, And the Grail GeoPress Purifier is one of the most advanced tools available to ensure you have access to safe drinking water, no matter where you are. This portable water filter works by removing bacteria, viruses, protozoa, and other harmful contaminants, leaving you with purified, drinkable water in just seconds. It's as simple as filling the GeoPress with water, pressing down and drinking. No pumping or complicated setup required. The GeoPress is lightweight, durable, and designed to handle tough conditions, making it perfect for wilderness survival or emergency preparedness. Paracord Planet 550 Paracord. Paracord is one of the most versatile survival tools you can have, and the Paracord Planet 550 Paracord is a top-tier choice for anyone looking to add extra strength and functionality to their gear. This 550-pound test paracord is made from durable, high-quality nylon, and it can be used for everything from securing shelter to building traps, repairing gear, or even creating a makeshift rope ladder. The Paracord Planet 550 Paracord is compact, lightweight, and easy to store, yet it's incredibly strong and reliable when you need it most. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. The LifeStraw Personal Water Filter is one of the most iconic and effective survival tools on the market today. It's a compact, lightweight filter that allows you to drink directly from any fresh water source, removing harmful bacteria, parasites, and other contaminants as you drink. With a filtration capacity of up to 1,000 liters of water, the LifeStraw is designed to keep you hydrated in even the most remote locations. Whether you're trekking through the wilderness or caught in a disaster scenario, this small yet powerful tool ensures you'll always have access to clean water, making it an indispensable part of any survival kit. Black Diamond Spot Headlamp. When you're navigating through the dark, whether it's a nighttime hike or an emergency situation, having reliable lighting is crucial. The Black Diamond Spot Headlamp offers powerful, adjustable lighting that ensures you can see clearly in the dark while keeping your hands free. With multiple lighting modes including a dimming feature, strobe, and red night vision mode, this headlamp is versatile enough to handle any situation. Its waterproof and durable design means it can withstand the elements, and its compact, lightweight build makes it comfortable to wear for long periods of time. Salium Snaplight Chem Lights. Salium Snaplight Chem Lights are an essential tool for signaling, providing light, or marking your location in low visibility conditions. These chemical light sticks are easy to activate. Simply snap them and shake to get instant, bright illumination. They come in various colors, which can be used for different signaling purposes, whether you're marking your campsite or alerting others to your presence. Unlike traditional flashlights, these chem lights don't require batteries, so they're perfect for long-term storage in emergency situations. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.